Now, manufacturing is a fascinating sector to look at in the context of today's technology landscape because it sits at the intersection of two worlds that are increasingly hard to separate: the physical world of machines, production lines, supply chains, and a skilled trade workers, and the digital world of data, AI, cloud, and connected systems. For a long time, those two worlds operated pretty independently. A plant floor ran on its own systems, the back office ran on different systems, and the two didn't talk to each other, at least very well. You had highly experienced operators who could feel when a machine was about to have a problem before any sensor told them. And you had a data team analyzing reports that were already days old by the time they got them. That disconnect is exactly what the manufacturing sector is working to close right now. More than 77% of manufacturers have implemented AI to some extent as of 2025. That's up from 70 just 2 years earlier. That's meaningful adoption momentum. And Deloitte's 2026 manufacturing industry outlook, that found that 1 in 5 manufacturers plan to deploy physical AI, robots that can navigate real production environments and handle physical tasks within just 2 years. That's not science fiction anymore. That's a planning horizon. But here's what the same research is also finding. The number one challenge for manufacturing organizations isn't the technology, it's the workforce. Deloitte's 2025 Smart Manufacturing Survey of 600 manufacturing executives found that the top obstacles to smart manufacturing implementation are managing complex organizational transformations, mitigating operational risk, and addressing talent shortages. 3 people and process challenges, not one technology problem. So think about what this looks like in practice. A manufacturer invests in AI-powered predictive maintenance, sensors on the machines, algorithms that detect patterns, alerts that tell the maintenance team when something is about to fail before it actually does. The technology is proven. The return on investment is documented. And then you have to get the maintenance technician who's been fixing those machines for 20 years to trust a software alert over their own experience. That's not a technology problem. That's a change management problem. It's the same behavioral science we talked about earlier in the season, showing up on the plant floor. The supply chain dimension of manufacturing makes this even more complex. A manufacturer doesn't have to manage its own technology landscape. It has to coordinate with suppliers, distributors, logistics partners, and customers who are all at different stages of digital maturity. A factory might have a sophisticated data platform internally, but if their key supplier is still faxing purchase orders, the digital advantage runs into an analog wall. That integration challenge, connecting the digital sophistication of your own organization to the varying readiness of your entire supply chain ecosystem, that's one of the defining technology challenges in manufacturing right now. The cloud story in manufacturing is also worth noting because it's a bit different from other sectors. Manufacturers are embracing cloud-based tools for back office functions, collaboration, HR, finance, and communication platforms like Microsoft 365. But the operational technology on the plant floor itself, that's more likely to stay in a hybrid model. The data from those machines is sensitive, and it's often air-gapped from outside the world. The latency requirements are real, and for many manufacturers, the idea of having your production system dependent on an internet connection, that feels uncomfortable in a way that having your email in the cloud doesn't. It's a legitimate concern, not technophobia. And a cloud strategy for a manufacturing organization has to account for that.